dear brothers and sisters. Today I performed another successful upward patellar fixation surgery. Before the operation you can see the cow could not walk at all. The owner called us again and again for help. This disease usually makes the animal unable to move properly. In this case the cow was also pregnant, which made it more difficult. Before we began, we carefully observed the animal's condition. We discussed the situation with the owner and explained how the surgery would help. Many owners don't realize that this condition can be treated successfully through surgery. If it is ignored, the animal may suffer for weeks or even months. That's why early diagnosis and quick action are very important. After confirming the diagnosis, we prepared for the operation. This surgery was done in a rural village setting with limited facilities. But our team was determined to achieve the best result. We cleaned the surgical area thoroughly and made sure everything was sterile. Then we applied local anesthesia through injection to prevent any pain. Both hind legs were affected. So we examined the ligaments carefully. We identified the specific ligament that was locking the joint. If this ligament or any supporting ligament ruptures completely, the cow may lose its ability to stand or walk forever. So performing this operation with precision is absolutely essential. During the procedure, we gently released the fixation and adjusted the joint. It required teamwork, patience, and accuracy at every step. Even a small mistake can cause complications later. After completing the surgical correction, we cleaned the wound and applied antiseptic to prevent infection. The animal was then given pain relief and antibiotics to aid recovery. After the surgery, the result was amazing. The cow started walking normally again, which was a wonderful sight. It was a moment of relief and happiness for everyone. For the owner, for our team, and most importantly for the animal itself. Now the cow is moving comfortably and looks much healthier. We'll continue to monitor her for a few days to ensure full recovery. To get such a successful outcome, the surgery must always be performed by an experienced veterinarian. If done incorrectly, the condition can become worse and may lead to permanent damage. That's why professional handling and post-operative care are very important. We are thankful that this surgery was a complete success. It's always a beautiful moment when we can help a suffering animal recover and return to normal life. We dedicate our work to improving animal welfare and supporting farmers in every possible way. If you enjoy seeing real veterinary cases like this, please like, subscribe, and stay connected with our channel. Your support encourages us to share more educational and inspiring stories from the field. Thank you for watching.